Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can cancel Claude AI Pro subscription. So first of all, you're going to have to get logged into your account. Open your browser, type in Claude.ai and get logged into your account. You will see a page like this. If you would like to cancel your Pro subscription, you're going to have to access your profile. So select your profile on your bottom left hand side. And from here, all you have to do is select Settings. Now under Settings also select Billing, and right under Billing, as you can see, I have my free plan right here. It says free plan, but if you have already subscribed for AI Pro, you will also see the option of cancellation that says Cancel Plan, and all you have to do is select Cancel Plan and the plan will be cancelled. Confirm your action and then you're good to go. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.